Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sala. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, who was incarcerated last year for her involvement in helping her lover Thabo Bester escape from prison and a whole lot of other charges, appeared in court yesterday alongside him, you guys. Now, what shocked people the most was the fact that when she made her grand entrance in court, rather she just passed her lover Thabo Bester like a total stranger, without even a hello, like she didn't even know him at all, you guys. Now, as people were shocked by that, what got them even talking more was that before the court proceeded, Dr. Nandipha opened up her Bible and read that, you guys. Yep, her Bible, and read that, which had people shocked and asking if the good Dr. Nandipha Magudumana might have possibly found God during her incarceration in jail, and if now she is born again. You guys, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on the next video. Please check this out. Bye.
It's fine. I think it's going to be just, you can just stand up when they come in.